25 years ago, our celebrants said yes to one another. It was because they felt love for each other. 25 years ago, they know that they will have to build a family and they have to start from scratch. But they have to endure all the difficulties, the trials. But for our celebrants, they tried to wither everything because of their love for one another. Looking at them, everything seems serene, everything seems perfect. Pero I'm sure that they also had some struggles and difficulties along the way. Financially, physically, psychologically, maraming challenges sa buhay ng isa't ama at sa isa't ina. But their love, which they had felt, made everything possible. Kaya nga ang Diyos ay Diyos ng pag-ibig. At dahil siya ay Diyos ng pag-ibig, everything is possible. With love, everything is possible. God makes everything possible because of His love.
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hakan at yakapin? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo mangangarap ng nakaraan natin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo